Did you know? If jobs disappear too fast, people stop earning. If people stop earning, they stop spending. And that affects the entire economy. So is AI helping us or creating a bigger problem? Right now, AI is changing how the world works. Not slowly, but faster than most people expected. And it's not just about technology anymore. It's about how work itself is done. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming an agent. It can plan, decide, and execute tasks, almost like a digital employee. And companies are already testing this. That's why layoffs are happening. Not always because companies are failing, but because they are becoming more efficient. One person with AI can now do the work of many. But here's something interesting. Some companies are realizing they still need people, because AI alone can't handle everything. So hiring comes back in a different form. This has created confusion. Some say only AI careers matter. Others say traditional roles are still needed. Students and professionals don't know which direction to take. Because everything is connected. Jobs create income. Income creates spending. And spending drives the economy. If one part breaks, everything feels it. That's why something unexpected is happening. People are going back to government jobs. Jobs once ignored are now seen as stable. For years, white-collar jobs were the goal. But now, physical and skilled jobs are gaining value again, because not everything can be automated. Another shift is happening. AI-generated content is everywhere. Same patterns, same style. And people are starting to notice. Even this video is made with the help of AI. Behind all this progress, there's massive computation power, huge data centers, expensive hardware, and enormous cost. These systems consume huge energy and also water for cooling. As AI grows, so does resource demand. AI is moving extremely fast. New tools, new updates, almost every day. Even big companies are trying to keep up. So the question is this sustainable? Or is this an AI bubble? No one really knows. The future is not humans versus AI. It's humans with AI. Those who adapt will move forward.